How to create a structure and hire your link building team. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to create a structure and create your own link building team. So let's get started. First, you need to understand what is link building. Well, link building helps us with our SEO of our website, and whenever you create a website on Google or any other platform, we need to work on our search engine optimization. And link building is an important part of search engine optimization. We have to create a team as well. Now, this is for the people who are looking for a link building team and who are actually into a maybe an agency or an individual who created their website and now they want to work on our SEO. Now, as a beginner, if you do not have that much information, we can hire people and we can hire a team to do that for us if you want to create a successful business online. So, first of all, what you guys need to do is you will go to a platform known as Fiverr.com. Now, Fiverr.com is a freelancing platform that allows you to hire different people for different skills. And we can hire people for SEO as well. There are different aspects and different roles into building a team, and I'll show you that what kind of categories are available in SEO building and what kind of skills and people are available on Fiverr and how much it's going to cost you. So let's get into it. If you do not have an account on Fiverr, you can create one by just going to fiverr.com and signing up with your Google account or email address. Now we are on Fiverr and you can see there are different categories. When it comes to Fiverr, they're like different, but we're gonna move to, you can either go to programming and tech and you will find SEO right here, or go to trending option and you will find the search engine optimization SEO. So it will open it up for you and you can see these are the roles that we need in search engine optimization team. So first we have off page SEO, on page SEO, keyword research, technical SEO, competitor analysis, full SEO package, and voice search SEO. So these are the different skills and different categories available in SEO section. We are working on our link building and it will land between keyword research right here or technical SEO and full SEO package too. So let's go to the full SEO package and let's see that what kind of skills are available here and how much people are charging for a full package. Alright, so you can see on Fiverr, people create their gigs, and we have Pro Verified. Now, Pro Verified is a person who has earned up to 5,000 USD on Fiverr and have good reviews. So you can see this person is saying, I will provide SEO service for Shopify store. Now, if you are running a store on Shopify, then this person is ideal for you. Look what they're doing. Improve keyword ranking, improve site, increase relative traffic, on page and off page SEO. So they're kind of like doing everything that we want in a team. So this is like a one person who's doing all of these different things. So that is also an option for you guys. And you know, I always tell you things that will save you money and that are easy for you. So we have other as well, and you can see the charging of these people. So they're charging between $30 per hour to $100 per hour. But you can, as a beginner, if you do not have that much money right now, you can hire someone for maybe $20 per hour. It also depends on the country they are working from. If it's going to be from Philippines or India, they're going to be like, they will charge you less as compared to someone who's operating from Canada or USA. So you can see we have all of these different people who are not charging that much, but at the same time, they're giving us all of these different options. Now, this person is a little expensive, but they're saying Shopify SEO service. Now, this one is WordPress SEO. Perfect ranking strategy. Okay, so this is like a one person that we can hire for the job and they will do everything, especially the link building as well, and you don't have to do anything. That is why we call it automation as well, because it saves us time and it saves us a lot of effort, and we can just hire someone to do the job for us. Simple. So you can see a lot of people are available. We can customize our search as well according to our budget. So we can just go right here and we can enter a budget and search the people who are cheaper or who are within our budget. Then we have service options as well, that what kind of services you're looking for. If you want the language should be English, then you can select this. Then we have like technical SEO, SEO edits, or on page optimization. So this is where you will find these people. Now let's go back and let me show you different people, and if you want to build a team, like who you will hire and why you should hire these people. So now I'll take you to on-page SEO, and these people will perform on-page SEO. So I can hire different people. Now for link building, I can hire someone else. And then for off-page SEO, I can hire another person. And this way I will have my own team, and we can also run an agency this way. And you will be able to actually create a structure. Make sure that you actually have a structure in mind first, that how many people you're going to be hiring. Don't go like crazy and you'll be like, okay, this person is cool, so I should hire this person, I should hire this person, that person. Kind of like explore more and get into everything. If a person is providing you link building and they're also saying they will do on page and off page SEO for you, then you don't need to hire two people for separately, you know. So make sure to go for a person who is all in one and has and charge you less. So we can go with that, or otherwise you will have like two people for one job and you will have to pay more. So make sure that you work on that. And another thing that you need to keep in mind and have a structure in mind is that what is actually your platform. Let's say that you're working on WordPress and you hire someone who's an expert in Wix. So that will actually not make sense. To look for people who are good in WordPress, if you're working on Shopify, then look for people who are working on Shopify. So that is how it works. And you can see different people have actually, when they create a gig on Fiverr, they list the platform as well, that what platform they work on. So you can see a lot of people have added like WordPress, Squarespace, Wix, and they have added the platform they work with, Yoast, Rank Math, which are SEO platforms. And they say that we are expert in this and we will help you work on the SEO. So this way you will just hire someone. And how to hire, you just check out their gig right here that is given. For example, this person, I will just open up their gig from here, just like select it, and it will open up the information for you. Everybody has their information given here. Also shout out to all of these people, like I'm showing you right now on Fiverr. Fiverr is actually a pretty good platform with a lot of different niches. So I have opened up this gig for you guys, and you can see this is what they're saying. They have a basic plan, standard, and premium. So kind of like go for a premium if you want the best results and you want their best skills in use. Because with the basic, what they do is they offer few things, and it's like not all things in one. So you need to aim for the premium and check out their premium, how much it is. So this is kind of like maybe $300 or something. And then $300, I will have a person who will work on SEO and schema markup as well. So I can just hire this person and we can order their gig on Fiverr. So it doesn't charge you anything to hire someone, but you will have to pay them once the job is done, or whatever the contract is. If you will pay them 50 before and 50 after. This way, just find the best people on Fiverr. Look for different people, different skills, and if a person is offering one thing and they're good in it, and you will find another person who's good in something else. So you can find a person who will do the link building for you. Then you can find someone for on-page SEO, off-page SEO, competitive research as well. And you can then give them a platform as well, that this is my platform where I have my website. Or if you have an SEO tool in mind, you can let them know that I want you to work on this SEO tool and I want the best results, and you will get them, and you will be able to improve the SEO of your website or online course, whatever you have e-commerce website on Shopify, Wix, any other platform, WooCommerce. You will be able to actually improve your traffic, bring more audience, sell your products, improve your blog, and more to make money. There is investment here. You will have to hire people, but the people are doing remote job, and you will be able to save a lot of money as well if you're smart enough to find the best people here. So kind of like I gave you a lot of different tips and tricks how to hire a team for SEO building of your website, and I hope this tutorial was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.